Welcome to the exciting world of the ketogenic diet. You're about to discover a powerful way to transform your health and well-being. Many people, just like you, are turning to keto for its incredible benefits. We'll guide you through the basics, making this journey easy and enjoyable. Get ready to unlock a healthier, more vibrant you. This guide will be your companion as you take your first steps on the keto path. We'll explore the science behind keto in simple terms. You'll learn about the foods that fuel your body and the ones to avoid. Most importantly, you'll feel empowered to make sustainable changes for a lifetime of health. Let's begin this incredible journey together. The ketogenic diet, or keto for short, is a way of eating that focuses on low carbohydrates and high healthy fats. This combination helps your body enter a metabolic state called ketosis. Don't worry, it's completely natural and safe. In ketosis, your body becomes incredibly efficient at burning fat for energy instead of relying on carbohydrates. Think of it as switching your body's fuel source from sugar to fat. This shift offers numerous health advantages and can lead to significant weight loss. Ready to delve deeper into the remarkable benefits of this dietary approach? Let's explore how keto can transform your health and well-being. The ketogenic diet is about more than just weight loss. It's a gateway to a healthier you. This low-carb, high-fat diet has been gaining popularity for its numerous health benefits. One of the most celebrated benefits is its ability to boost weight loss. When you reduce your carbohydrate intake, your body enters a state called ketosis, where it burns fat for fuel instead of carbs. By reducing carbohydrates, keto helps stabilize blood sugar levels and reduces cravings, making it easier to manage weight. This is particularly beneficial for those who struggle with frequent hunger pangs and sugar cravings. But the benefits don't stop there. The ketogenic diet also promotes better overall health. Many people report experiencing increased mental clarity and focus on keto. This is because the brain can efficiently use ketones, the alternative fuel source produced during ketosis, for energy. This brain-boosting effect is because ketones are highly efficient at providing energy to the brain. Studies have shown that a ketogenic diet can improve cognitive function and may even have protective effects against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Imagine feeling more energized throughout your day. The steady energy supply from fats can help you avoid the energy slumps that come with high-carb diets. Keto can make that a reality. Regular physical activity combined with a ketogenic diet can enhance your overall fitness and endurance. By switching to fat as the primary energy source, keto provides a steady and sustained release of energy, preventing those dreaded sugar crashes. This can be particularly beneficial for athletes and those with demanding physical jobs. Keto also has a profound impact on blood sugar control. For individuals with type 2 diabetes or those at risk, this diet can be a game changer. It's especially beneficial for individuals with type 2 diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. By stabilizing blood sugar levels, keto can help reduce insulin resistance, a key factor in managing and preventing type 2 diabetes. By stabilizing blood sugar levels, keto can help reduce insulin resistance, a key factor in managing and preventing type 2 diabetes. Additionally, the diet encourages the consumption of nutrient-dense foods, which can improve overall health. Finally, keto is known to reduce hunger. This is because fats and proteins are more satiating than carbohydrates, helping you feel full and satisfied for longer periods. By promoting satiety and suppressing appetite-regulating hormones, keto helps you feel fuller for longer. This can lead to a natural reduction in calorie intake, making it easier to achieve and maintain a healthy weight. This effect can lead to a natural reduction in calorie intake, making it easier to achieve and maintain a healthy weight. With all these benefits, it's no wonder that the ketogenic diet is becoming a popular choice for those looking to improve their health and well-being. Whether you're looking to lose weight, boost your mental clarity, or manage a health condition, the ketogenic diet offers a comprehensive approach to better health. So why not give it a try and see the incredible benefits for yourself? Section 4. Navigating the Keto Plate. Foods to embrace and avoid. In this section, we will delve into the specifics of what you should be eating and what you should avoid to maintain a successful ketogenic lifestyle. Now that you understand the incredible benefits of the keto diet, let's explore the delicious foods you can enjoy. The keto diet is not just about restriction, it's about embracing a variety of nutrient-dense foods that can make your meals both satisfying and healthy. Embrace healthy fats, moderate protein, and limit your carbohydrate intake. Healthy fats are the cornerstone of the keto diet, providing the energy your body needs to function optimally. Olive oil, avocado oil, coconut oil, avocados, nuts like almonds, walnuts, and macadamia nuts, and seeds such as chia seeds and flax seeds. These fats are not only delicious but also packed with essential nutrients and antioxidants. Beef, chicken, pork, lamb, and poultry, preferably grass-fed or pasture-raised. These protein sources are rich in essential amino acids and healthy fats, making them perfect for your keto meals. Salmon, tuna, mackerel, shrimp, and shellfish are excellent sources of healthy fats and protein. Seafood is also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for heart health. Eggs are a versatile source of protein and nutrients. Choose pasture-raised eggs whenever possible for the highest quality. They can be prepared in numerous ways, making them a staple in the keto diet. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and lettuce, as well as broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, zucchini, asparagus, and cucumbers. These vegetables are low in carbs, but high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Cheese, butter, cream, and full-fat yogurt in moderation. Dairy products can be a great source of fat and protein, but it's important to choose full-fat options and consume them in moderation to stay within your carb limits. Now, let's talk about the foods to avoid. While the keto diet allows for many delicious foods, there are certain items that can derail your progress. Soda, juice, candy, pastries, and desserts. These items are high in sugar and can quickly kick you out of ketosis. Bread, rice, pasta, cereal, and oats. These grains are high in carbohydrates and should be avoided to maintain ketosis. Limit fruits to low-sugar options like berries in moderation. While fruits are generally healthy, many are high in sugar and can affect your keto progress. Beans, lentils, and peas. These legumes are high in carbs and should be limited. Instead, focus on low-carb vegetables and other keto-friendly foods. Limit processed foods high in unhealthy fats, sugar, and artificial ingredients. These foods can not only hinder your keto progress, but also negatively impact your overall health. By focusing on whole, unprocessed foods, you'll provide your body with the nutrients it needs to thrive on a ketogenic diet. Whole foods are not only more nutritious, but also more satisfying, helping you stick to your diet. Now, are you ready for some delicious and easy keto recipes? Stay tuned as we dive into some mouth-watering dishes that are simple to prepare and perfect for your keto journey. Section 5. Keto Avocado Egg Salad, a creamy, satisfying delight. 4 hard-boiled eggs chopped, 1 ripe avocado mashed, 1/4 cup of creamy mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped red onion, 1 tablespoon of freshly chopped dill. Add salt and pepper to taste. In a medium bowl, combine the chopped eggs, mashed avocado, mayonnaise, red onion, and dill. Stir gently to combine all ingredients. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Serve immediately or chill for later enjoyment. This simple yet flavorful egg salad is perfect for a light lunch or a quick snack. Section 6. Keto Chicken and Broccoli Stir Fry, a flavorful, quick meal. This dish is not only delicious, but also incredibly easy to prepare, making it a perfect choice for busy weeknights when you want something healthy and satisfying without spending hours in the kitchen. To start, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken breasts, cut into bite-sized pieces, 1 tablespoon of olive oil for cooking, 1 cup of fresh broccoli florets, and 1/2 cup of sliced mushrooms. These fresh ingredients are the key to a vibrant and nutritious meal. Additionally, you'll need 1/4 cup of low-sodium soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger. These ingredients will infuse your stir-fry with a rich, savory flavor that is both aromatic and delicious. Begin by heating the olive oil in a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat. The oil should be hot but not smoking, ready to sear the chicken to perfection. Add the chicken pieces to the skillet and cook until they are browned on all sides. This should take about 5 to 7 minutes. The goal is to get a nice golden crust on the chicken while keeping the inside juicy and tender. Next, add the broccoli florets and sliced mushrooms to the skillet. These vegetables not only add color and texture but also pack a nutritional punch, making this dish both healthy and delicious. Stir in the soy sauce, sesame oil, and grated ginger. These ingredients will create a savory sauce that coats the chicken and vegetables, enhancing their natural flavors. Continue to cook, stirring frequently, until the broccoli is tender crisp, which should take about 5 to 7 minutes. The vegetables should be cooked through but still have a bit of crunch to them. Serve the stir-fry immediately over a bed of cauliflower rice or zucchini noodles. These low-carb alternatives to traditional rice or pasta make this dish perfect for those following a keto or low-carb diet. This quick and easy stir-fry is packed with flavor and perfect for a satisfying weeknight dinner. It's a meal that the whole family will love, and it's so simple to make that you'll find yourself coming back to this recipe again and again. Section 7. Keto cheese and bacon stuffed mushrooms. A crowd-pleasing appetizer. 12 large mushrooms, stems removed, 1/4 cup cooked bacon, crumbled 1/4 cup cream cheese, softened, 1/4 cup shredded cheddar cheese, 1 tablespoon chopped green onions, salt and pepper to taste. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. In a medium bowl, combine the cooked bacon, softened cream cheese, shredded cheddar cheese, and chopped green onions. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Spoon the cheese mixture into the mushroom caps. Place the stuffed mushrooms on a baking sheet. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes or until the mushrooms are tender and the cheese is melted and bubbly. These cheesy, bacon-wrapped mushrooms are always a hit at parties and gatherings.